Aloha, what is up everyone? I'm in my Freightliner. I thought I'd do a quick video. It's end of month, end October. I had an interesting situation come up this week, so I thought I'd make a quick video for you guys. In towing, people are always trying to give you stuff, so and I usually turn it down. They're trying to give you cars and trucks and motorcycles, and of course everything's always like needs something, right? Needs work. But this one was interesting, so I went ahead with it, and then I'll show you guys what I got. Let me get set up. Okay, so here's part of the story. So I get a call the other night. Some guy needs a tow for his motorcycle. I'm like, no big deal. I'll come get you. I get out there, and it turns out somebody rear-ended the bike. And I'm like, oh man, did you get the information for the guy that rear-ended your bike? So, hopefully you can try to get, reimbursed from insurance or whatever. He goes, and this is the owner, he goes, oh, I was the one who rear-ended my own bike. I'm like, how did you do that? And he was like, my brother was riding the bike so we can go get it serviced. I didn't notice he stopped. So his brother stopped on the bike, I guess at a red light, and he rear-ended his own bike. So at that point, he was already kind of over the motorcycle thing. So when I went to tow him, I was gonna just tow him to his house. And then he was like, hey man, do you know someone who would just take this bike off my hands? Cause I don't wanna deal with it. Cause it is like, it's pretty big damage. You can see the subframe broke off here. The tire's flat now. It's just like a lot of little things. But yeah, so he didn't want it, and I said, well, I'll take it off your hands if we can go get the title right now. So I followed him to his house, and yeah, he gave me the title and the keys that it runs and everything. You can see there, it looks like that's where he really hit it. See, the tire's split. But other than that, it's a running drive. So it's a 2006 Suzuki GSXR 600. So, I don't need it. I'm gonna see, I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I part it out? Should I actually fix it and like sell it on or use it or what? Post down below and we'll see what happens with this. And if it gets enough views, I'll do like a little build on it or whatever to repair the back. All right, guys.